We'll guide you through how to manage tasks in ClickUp to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on the Tasks option to view your task lists. To create a new task, click the Puyu button usually located in the top right corner of your task list. A window will pop up where you can enter the task name, description, due date, and assign it to team members if needed. Be sure to set priorities by choosing between urgent, high, normal, or low to help you focus on what's most important. If you want to organize tasks, use the Spaces and Folders feature to categorize them. Simply click on Spaces in the sidebar, then create a new space or select an existing one, and add folders within that space to keep related tasks together. For ongoing projects, consider using lists within folders to break down tasks into manageable steps. To track progress, use the Gantt chart view by selecting it from the View options at the top of your task list. This will help you visualize the timeline and dependencies. Remember to utilize the Calendar view to get a monthly overview of all your tasks and deadlines. You can also automate recurring tasks by setting up custom automations in the Automations tab found in the Task settings. This could save you time with tasks that need to be repeated regularly. Finally, integrate ClickUp with other tools like Slack or Google Calendar to ensure seamless communication and scheduling. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.